Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the newest tools and tech to see if they're actually worth your time and money. Today, we're diving into a high-voltage must-have for technicians and DIYers alike, the 1000 volts capacitor discharge pen by MULBRANTEX. This small device promises big safety when working with high-voltage capacitors. Let's see how it actually performs. So what exactly is this tool? The 1000 volts capacitor discharge pen is designed to quickly and safely discharge capacitors up to 1000 volts. Whether you're a technician working on amplifiers, HVAC systems, CRT monitors, or any high-voltage electronics, this pen helps you neutralize stored energy in capacitors, preventing those nasty shocks that can damage your gear, or worse, injure you. One of the standout features is that it's polarity-free. That means it doesn't matter which way you connect it to the terminals, it'll do the job either way, safely and spark-free. Now let's talk about the design. This thing is compact and lightweight, made for one-handed use. That's a huge bonus when you're working in tight or awkward spaces. The ergonomic shape gives it a solid grip, and it's easy to maneuver between different capacitor sizes and pin spacings. It also comes with a built-in LED indicator. This little light turns on to show when discharging is taking place. So you're not left guessing whether the tool is doing its job. It's a simple feature but crucial for both safety and confidence during use. We tested this on a range of capacitors, from small electronics to larger ones in amplifier systems, and in every case, it delivered fast, consistent discharges. The LED lights up immediately upon connection, and the discharge is smooth, no sparks, no noise, no surprises. Because it's passive and polarity-free, there's no setup or battery to worry about. Just touch both leads to the capacitor terminals and let the pen handle the rest. It's also safe to use around sensitive electronics, which is often a concern with more aggressive discharge tools. One important note: this tool is not for discharging batteries. It's meant specifically for capacitors, and using it on batteries could damage the tool or be unsafe. This discharge pen is perfect for field technicians, repair shop pros, or even serious hobbyists who regularly open up electronics. If you're someone who works on amplifiers, car audio systems, or old electronics like CRT monitors or power supplies, this should be in your toolkit. Even for beginners getting into electronics repair, it's a great safety net. It's affordable, easy to use, and gives peace of mind that you won't get zapped by surprise. So, is the MULBRANTEX 1000 volts capacitor discharge pen worth it? Absolutely. It's not flashy, but it does exactly what it promises: safe, efficient, spark-free discharging. The build is solid, the LED indicator is helpful, and the fact that it's polarity-free makes it virtually foolproof. For under-the-hood jobs, amplifier installs, electronics maintenance, and high-voltage capacitor handling, this tool is a game-changer. Whether you're a pro or a weekend tinkerer, it adds that critical layer of safety and convenience. That wraps up today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss more deep dives just like this. Drop your questions or experiences with capacitor tools in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. This is Product Critique, and we'll catch you in the next one.